Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam and the SUVCON dash cam.
Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride.
Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam comes in at $159, while the SUVCON dash cam is priced slightly higher at $199. When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams deliver stunning results.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro boasts 4K UHD, recording at 2160p and 30 FPS, while the SUVCON dash cam offers a triple camera setup with a 170 degrees wide-angle front camera and a 150 degrees waterproof rear camera. Connectivity is a crucial factor to consider in today's tech-savvy world. The ROVE R2-4K Pro takes the lead with its advanced 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi feature, allowing you to connect your smartphone seamlessly.
You can easily view, download, and share your videos with just a few taps on the ROVE Dash Cam app.
Now let's dive into the extra features that make these dash cams stand out.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro comes equipped with GPS, recording real-time live speed and compass on the LCD.
It also offers a wide range of state-of-the-art technologies such as voice guidance and alerts, time-lapse video, and a loop recording feature. Both the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam and the SUVCON dash cam have their own strengths and features that cater to different needs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.